Hi children, welcome to GK class. Today I am going to teach the unit 2 plants and animals. Before teaching this, once again recall what we have done in the previous class. In the previous class I have taught unit 1 life skills. In life skill there was 3 lessons. First is words that inspire, second character map, and the third decision making. Everything is about yourself. So here is another topic, another unit, that is unit 2 plants and animals. In plants and animals, the fourth lesson or fourth chapter is aquatic plants. In aquatic plants, we are going to learn many plants. Aquatic plants include submerged plants, floating plants, amphibious plants that have leaves both above and below the water surface, and heliophilic plants that have only their roots under the water. Yes, aquatic plants, it means the plants which are in submerged. Submerged means the roots will be in the water. The topmost of the plant will be above the water. And some are floating plants. Floating plants means it will be floating above the water. Amphibious plants. Amphibious plants means already you know the example of amphibian animals. Example, frog. The frog can live on the land as well as in the water. In the same way, the amphibious plants can survive in the water as well as on the land. And next one is heliophilic plants. Heliophilic plants, the special plant which it lives. The roots will be in the water, under the water. Other than that, everything will be on the ground itself. So here are some of the examples for amphibian plants are, that is also called as bryophytes. Bryophytes means amphibious plants. So here are some of the questions for you in this topic. Name these aquatic plants. First one, this aquatic plant grows very fast in marshy vegetation. Marshy, it means a low area of low-lying lands which is flooded in wet seasons or at high tide and typically remains waterlogged at all times. It means here marshy vegetation means all the time the soil, the land will be wet. In this vegetation, in this area, we can see the not webbed plant. You can look at the picture, you can see the picture, it is in your textbook itself how the plant look like. Next one, this is an attractive floating plant with a large number of flowers. Yes, that is Lachenalia. Which it is, that is Lachenalia. This plant always it is attractive with a beautiful and colorful flowers. Yes, it is there in your textbook and it is also seen on the screen also. This plant will be floating with a number of different colors of flowers. Next, this is an amphibious plant. It can grow underwater as well as on the land. That is Sagittaria. Yes, Sagittaria is one of the plant just like in a frog, animal frog. Yes, Sagittaria is a plant where this can grow underwater as well as on the land. Next one, this water plant can be found in shallow depression of clear flowing streams. It means where the water will flow very clearly, especially in the streams. Streams means always flowing water, clean water. Flowing water always will be a clean water. In this flowing water we can see sago pond web. Yes, sago pond web. This plant will flow in the clear flowing streams. Next one, this is a common aquarium plant with leaves rising in clusters from its roots and is generally recommended for large tanks. That is Vallisneria. Vallisneria is one of the plant which is grown in aquarium. Aquarium means which are being not in your house. In our houses we'll found a small aquariums, but whereas when we go for any museums, aquarium museums, or any big hotels or something else, we can see such type of aquariums worldwide. Those are very famous. In that place we can see a big aquariums. In that big aquariums we can see such type of plant, that is Vallisneria. You can see in the photo, in the picture. Next one, this is an aquatic plant and looks like a grass found in ponds and aquariums. Yes, this is also one of the plant, that is L grass. You can see in your textbook as well as on the screen. L grass is one of the plant which is said to be a aquatic plant. It means it will grow in the water itself. It will be in the ponds as well as, just like Vallisneria, it will grow in it will grow in aquarium. Okay, that is L grass. Next one is, this aquatic plant has abundance of fine leaves that form a cone like structure on each stem. That is hornwort. Hornwort means on each and every stem you can see a cone like leaves, like a cone only. How the cone will be in sharp is in the same way. You can see this on the screen. That is hornwort. Last one, this is floating plant of genus Lemnaceae. Lemnaceae found in still water. Still water means stagnant water. Which plant it is? It is duckweed. Duckweed. This you can see duckweed means like how the lotus will be growing in stagnant water, still water. In the same way, this duckweed also will float on the water. That is called as floating water. Floating water. Which plant it is? It is duckweed. Okay children, complete the homework and submit it in my personal number. Thank you children.